This is part 5, 2008 water pump replacement on the 2008 Ford Mustang. Now I'm about to start putting in the new water pump. As you can see, I cleaned around it, the water pump housing, which I used a scraper and a wire brush, or you could use some sandpaper or steel wool, whichever one works best for you. So I cleaned around it, I wiped it off so it'd be dry, because you want it dry when you apply the gasket maker on there or sealer on there. This is the new water pump. So basically I'm gonna take some gasket maker like such, and I'm gonna just go around it, go around the edges of it with a water pump. Meet the gasket, just gonna go around it. Keep going around it. Cause I usually do this, put it on the water pump, because with this type of water pump, so it can hold the gasket for me when I go to put it on, you know. Some of them you don't have to do this. You only need a thin film of it, so don't think it need to be thick. It's just a thin coat, so the gasket could get sealed up against it and it won't leak at all. No leaks is what you're looking for when you finish. No leaks. That's what you're looking for when you finish. No leaks. Alright. Get that around there. This stuff all spread it all around. Alright. Spread this stuff all around the side. All around. I just need a thin coat for that. Now, basically what you're gonna do is, let me close that back up. You're gonna set the gasket on there. It's gonna hold it for you. Make sure you're setting it on there right now. So you're setting this gasket on there right. Okay. I'm about finished with that. Now, before you put this new water pump on here, you want to just make sure it's dry around the housing of it, because the gasket sealer is not going to stick to it if it ain't. Take a long time to set up and do all types of stuff. So just make sure it's dry around the housing of the water pump. Okay, now it's up to you if you want to do this, but me personally, I just take some more gasket maker and you could just rub it on the back of the water pump on the gasket. instead of down there on the housing, since it's kind of down there in the awkward type position, just rub it around the gasket. It's a thin coat, so when it hit the water pump housing, it could seal all the way up against it, you know. Just making sure that it's sealed up pretty good, no leaks. That's what you're looking for, no leaks. No leaks. Now I know I'm supposed to have gloves on, but sometimes I just don't use gloves. I like to be able to feel it, because some stuff, if you can't feel it, you can't really do what you want to do like how you want to do it. It's all about your ingenuity skills. You applying them skills to what you're doing, being creative. Do and coat. Coat all the way around. Okay, yeah. And coat. That's all you need. And coat all the way around. Now, once you did that, you're ready to put the water pump on. Get the camera set up. See. Another thing, don't forget to switch these hoses over. Okay. Don't forget to switch these hoses over. Alright. Like I said, sometimes you gotta twist them. I'll be back.